The average you are watching right now is an 8.51 average of 12 I did on the Cosmic Qiyi Square-1. The times vary a lot, and I will be talking a little bit about why in this review. First of all, I would like to thank Speedcube Shop for sending this out to me, along with the Cosmic Volt, which I will be reviewing in the near future. In this review, I will mainly be comparing its performance to other Qiyi Square-1s as a review for the setup rather than the cube's actual feeling or size. This cube is $23.95 and comes with the Cosmic Cube bag. There are many different choices for the setup, sticker fitting, and color scheme. Here I have the most generic lubricant setup and the normal fitted stickers in half bites with a light blue, which are placed quite well. Out of the box, the cube was just like any other Cosmic Speed Cube. It was lubed heavily with some thick silicone lubricant, and the layers were quite stiff. The cube had relatively tight tensions for me, and the corner cutting was quite lacking, which is expected amongst new Qiyi Square-1s regardless of the setup. This cube was on the opposite side of the spectrum in comparison to how I would normally set up my Square-1s. My mains are usually quite loose with very minimal silicone lubricant, mostly surviving off of thin lube like Maru. The break-in process was tedious and probably my biggest gripe with the cube. My times were significantly slower for about 300 solves over the course of a week or so. I have since done approximately 2,000 solves on this cube, and I have to say that the final product is pretty good. Something that impressed me was the turning consistency between the U and D layers compared to the slice. This is something that I have just learned to deal with on my other Square-1s, trying to turn the slice with less force to compensate for the extremely loose turning of the slice. I have found that my solves are generally more fluid with less overturning and less pauses. The turn speed of the U and D layers break in to be controllable but not sluggish in any way. I'm able to use some pretty risky finger tricks on this cube, which is not always the case with Square-1s. The corner cutting is still not the best I have seen, but it is still decent in terms of ease and magnitude. The cube comes with the low mod already done, and it has held up extremely well even after hundreds of stack mat solves. There's still a short break-in time of about 20 to 30 solves every time I pick up the cube after not turning it for a few days, which shouldn't be a large issue at all. And additionally, something weird I've experienced with this cube was that the screw actually unscrews itself after a lot of solves or something, causing the two halves of the cube to fall apart. And this has happened 3 times with the Cosmic Qiyi Square-1, which has not ever happened to me on any other Square-1 I've ever used. Again, I wouldn't consider this a serious issue, it's just something to note. In conclusion, this cube is extremely different from what I would normally use, so at home I like to switch off between the Cosmic Qiyi and the Qiyi I have set up myself. I'm a bit on the fence as to using this cube in competitions with the subpar corner cutting, but this will most definitely change with some more breaking in. The extensive lube job is, in my opinion, what makes the cube quite worth the price tag. This cube really targets an audience that hopes to maintain the longevity of a speed cube. I doubt the lube will dry up anytime soon, which is one of the main reasons why one would most probably buy a prepared speed cube in the first place. Finally, I have talked to Speedcube Shop about the setup of the cube, and they have told me that they are making edits to their setup with the ultimate goal of producing a cube with a much shorter break-in time while still living up to the performance that it currently has, which is something I'm really looking forward to. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!